Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC, and cheers for joining us on the channel today and checking out this episode. Well, here it is, all finished. It's the 2024 Tamiya Hot Shot II re-release, and I must say it's grown on me quite a lot since building it up. I think I said it in my unboxing video. If you've not seen that, I'll leave a link in the description. I think I said in that video, I said I wasn't thinking of getting this because it always looked a bit bland for me. I'm sorry. Cheers. Doing a bit of a jiggle with my wife there. It always looks a bit bland to me. But I say after seeing it on a couple of videos and definitely now having built it myself, yeah, it's grown on me a lot more. I do prefer it over the original Hotshot. I think it's a nicer looking thing. So, what did we do to it? Well, what we did is, I explained it all in the unboxing video, but because it was all pre-painted and they couldn't really do much that way unless I bought a brand new Repro or another Tamiya clear body, you had to go really with the decals and the box art livery. But so to put my own little bit of a stamp on it, what I did do is I ordered some of the chrome parts trees from the Blockhead Hot Shot II variant of this. So we've got those wheels on there, and if you can sort of see them, at the top there. We've got the rear hub carriers on in the chrome plated, and we've got the front steering knuckles and the anti-roll bar mount there, part of that there, all in the chrome. I just wanted to make it sort of mine a bit more, and also we added, which kind of ties in nicely, we did it on the Super Sabre as well. We've got an extra speed front wishbone suspension brace there, and we've got an extra speed little black alloy bumper. I'm not a big fan of the massive huge bumpers, plus if you ever race these things, big bumpers tend to dig in a bit more, so I'm sure that'll dig in still because it sticks out, but I just prefer that look to it. And other than that, I was going to put a torque tune motor in it, and I didn't. I went in with just a sport tuned motor, and I went with the 16 tooth pinion gear for this. So that's what we did to it. So it is a Hot Shot II, as you can see, but I just did a few touches to it. Now I might do some extra things. I did want Vanquish tyres on it, but I couldn't get any at the time. I still may do that, but we'll see. But the next thing is to put it down, give it a run to show you guys and girls what it's like, and yeah, we'll see it going. But yeah, so far I'm very pleased with it. I'll tell you what does really annoy me, that on the original one it says Dirt Stars, and they've obviously changed it for whatever reason. It says Dart Stars. That really winds me up, that. But I wasn't going to go and get some MCI decals just for one sticker. Anyway, let's give this a bit of a run. I'll tell you what I did do actually as well, while I'm thinking on it. I did mess around with the suspension a little bit. Usually you put it, the manual says 3-hole pistons in on the shocks. I went with 2-hole pistons on this. And I'm quite happy with that. There never seems to be tons of turning lock on the Hot Shots, but it seems fine actually, especially on the looser ground. It seems to turn all right. I did put a reasonable steering servo in this as well. Oh, it does looks great on this ground though. Brilliant. I'm quite sure I'm scratching all the new plastics underneath, but I say that every time. I'm a bit funny about things like that, but you know, it's got to be driven. pleased with this. So you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think I should have left it exactly how it was in the box, with all the red parts on, or not? Do you like the Hot Shot 2? Is that your favourite version of the Hot Shot? You know, you'll have to let me know. But I'm quite pleased with this. And even still, only with a little a NIM battery and a sport tube motor, it's pretty zippy on here. It's good fun. And it looks rather good. Zooming around on here. So there you go. Now I'll just bring it over here and we'll pick it up. Put the controller down in some mud. But yeah, we'll pick it up and you can have another look at it. But there you go. That's the rather cool 2024 re-release of the Tamiya Hot Shot II. And I think that's all of them now. We've had the Hot Shot 1, we've had the Super Shot, they re-released that one. They did the Blockhead 2, Hot Shot, and Blockhead Motors 1, and now they've done the proper Hot Shot 2. And I'm pleased with that. So yeah, so there we go. We just thought we'd bring it out. The only thing I didn't do, actually, I just looked then and thought I didn't actually paint the inside of the driver on the chassis. I might have to do that. I only put his seatbelt stickers on. But yeah, there you go. Rather pleased. And yeah, good stuff. Right, I'm going to finish this video here. Now don't forget, we've got the Tamiya BT01 chassis with the Supra body, Toyota Supra body coming on soon. So I'm in the process of building that one up. So there's that to look out for. I'm still waiting on the Kayasho Sandmaster EZ 2.0 coming out as well. That should be here soon. So that's what's coming up immediately. I am working on restoring the AYK Sidewinder as well. So things in the pipeline. Right. Also, can't forget this, of course. A massive thanks to Inside Line Models for sponsoring this one. They got the hands on the Hot Shot 2 for me and the BT01 chassis. So massive thanks to Paul and the team. And of course, very good of them. You can still get a chance to use the 5% discount code if you want to get 5% off any of their online store goodies they have in stock. So it's promo code AndyRC5, and that will get you 5% off their online store. Do check them out. They've got lots of awesome stuff, not just Tamiya. So yeah, do make use of it. So yeah, big thanks as always to Paul and the Inside Line Models team for sponsoring this one. Hope you like it. Right, okay, again, cheers for checking this one out. If you haven't already, please go and subscribe to Andy Robinson RC if you want to see more. It'd be much appreciated. Thank you for all your continued support as well, everyone who tunes in. And also come find us on Instagram and on Facebook under Andy Robinson RC. Right, it's getting a bit nippy here, so we're going. But cheers, look after yourselves and take care. Bye.